Howdy, I'm Ricky Rader with Pearson Livestock Equipment. Today I'm going to walk you through all of the options and all of the features of the Prime XL hydraulic chute by Pearson's. As with any chute, you start with the headgate and you take a look at what this hydraulic headgate is designed to do. It's designed to pass large animals through and to catch any size animal. It opens up to 30 inches wide and closes down to a little less than 4 inches. Especially when you're looking at hydraulic chutes, you're going to be running quite a few head of cattle through this chute. So how long is it going to last? Well, one of the unique features about this chute is that everything that will wear inside the pivoting parts of this chute can be rebuilt. So there are bronze bushings in each of these pivot locations that can be replaced. Shown here is a head sweep, and I'll show you how that works. So the head sweep is a great tool for keeping an animal's head controlled while you're ear tagging or mouthing or any other operation on the head of an animal. All hydraulic chutes are going to have a hydraulic squeeze function. This chute is no different. So what you're looking for when you're working cattle through this chute is a parallel squeeze, something that Pearson's is known for, and which we believe makes working cattle smoother, more efficient, and less stressful on both the animal and the operator. So a parallel hydraulic squeeze, and then finally a hydraulic tailgate, which works the same as the headgate, but the purpose of the tailgate is to stop the next animal from coming in when you don't want her to come in. With hydraulics, you get a lot of control over your animals and are able to make the process flow smoother. On the Prime chutes, both the XL and the 8-foot versions, you have a rotating platform at waist level where you can operate the chute from any place along the side. And so this platform gives you the ability to comfortably decide where you want to stand while you're working cattle. Watch them. Like I like to operate it from this point right here where I can see through the neck door and catch the animals as they pass through the headgate. So the beating heart of a hydraulic chute is the hydraulic control system. That would include the pump and motor, and that would include the valve. So what we're doing with this chute is we're giving you the ability to operate the chute from anywhere along the left side with this rotating platform so that you could comfortably watch the animals as they pass through the headgate and catch them reliably. So you'll notice here where I am, I'm on a slope, so maybe not the most ideal situation to work cattle where the chute is sitting on a slope, but with this rotating platform I can get to a comfortable place where I can operate the chute. So the Prime XL hydraulic chute comes with what we call a remote power unit with 20 feet of hose which connect to quick connect fittings up to the top corner of the chute. This is a electric over hydraulic power unit, operates off of 220 volt single phase electricity, made out of very high quality components, and this is literally the heart of your chute. This is what makes the hydraulics operate and keeps your cattle operation flowing smoothly when you're working cattle. Starting at the front of the chute, the Prime XL hydraulic chute has neck doors on both sides that are easy to open. They slam shut, they're very quiet gates. Also, importantly, on a hydraulic chute, the top third of these gates are open because often you're going to want to look through there when you're operating this chute. So, important feature of the neck doors is that you can see through them. As you move back, both sides of a Prime XL chute open. So you have side exit doors that open completely. This allows you to get cattle out of the chute easily if you have something go wrong inside of it. It also allows you to use the optional trim kit, and the trim kit is easily added to these chutes, and it gives you a lot more flexibility for access to the animals if you need it. Standard on a Prime hydraulic chute, a Prime or a Prime XL hydraulic chute, is the brisket bar, which is removable. The Prime hydraulic chute has louvers built into it. What a louver does is it allows you to stand anywhere along the chute without spooking a cattle, without standing in their flight zone. So because I have these louvers in place, an animal can come up through to the head gate without seeing me and therefore flow faster and more efficiently through the chute. So all Prime XL and Prime chutes come with louvers built in. On those top gates, which we call wing gates, are the Prime latches, which are easy to open and slam shut. Latch in the middle and they open. If you need to, you can open the entire side of the top half of the chute. As with all Prime chutes, Pearson Prime XL hydraulic chute includes rump ratchets and a rump ratchet bar so that you can easily put a bar behind the animal and hold them inside the chute without allowing them to back up. All prime chutes include the bottom doors, so you can introduce a calf to a mom, or you can open up both of these doors to have access to the bottom half of the animals. These doors also include the prime latch, which is quiet and efficient. As with all XL chutes, this Prime XL hydraulic chute includes palpation doors built into the back half of the chute. So these doors open to the outside of the chute, allow you to get to the access to the back of the animal, but importantly, when the chute is squeezed, that palpation section squeezes along with the chute. This prevents a place for calves to turn around on you when you're working calves in the chute. All Prime and Prime XL hydraulic chutes include calf wings, which is this panel right here. What these panels do is they fill the gap between the squeeze panel of the chute and the frame of the chute, so that if you have the tailgate open and the chute partially squeezed, the calf can't get out. So calf panels included on all Prime and Prime XL hydraulic chutes. The Pearson Prime XL hydraulic chute and the Prime 8-foot hydraulic chute are both built on a heavy-duty portable floor. So the steel in this floor is made out of 3/16" tubing and or plate. It has traction bars across. It's built for the brisket bar. And importantly, it's built for our wheel kit, which you can watch in a separate video. And it's also built for the Pearson scale system, where we use HD 5T load bars from True Test.